Hello aspirants, welcome to Ecomice Academy. Today we are going to discuss about one of the recent government initiative, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana under Ayushman Bharat. So what is the context of this particular scheme is, recently Union Cabinet has approved insurance coverage for all those who are 70 plus, irrespective of their income status, and they have been brought under Ayushman Bharat scheme. So in this context, let us understand what is the importance of Ayushman Bharat, which is mainly the world's largest health coverage scheme. At the same time, we'll also understand what will be the significance of this initiative by Union Cabinet, right? So first, there is an announcement regarding TGPSC Group 1 Prelims cum Mains Foundation batch, which is about to start from 23rd September. This course will be taught in entire 7 months along with 2 years validity. So this course will be available both online as well as offline. Entire study material will be available to you in question and answer format, including current affairs. Telangana state current affairs also are part of this. Along with, there is also one unique mentorship, like one-to-one mentorship is very unique feature of our course. You will be continuously assessed on your performance based on daily tests, weekly tests and revision tests. So for any further details, you can contact us on this number, right? Then, so what is the point of discussion? As I told you just now, Union Cabinet has approved insurance coverage for all those who are above 70 years, irrespective of the family status. That means income status, right? So here you have to keep in mind, these things can be tracked. There is no income that is stipulated here under the scheme. Irrespective of their income, any senior citizen who is above 70 years will be brought under Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana scheme. Now let us understand and decode it further. Then first thing we need to understand, what is this Ayushman Bharat scheme, right? Under PMJAY. Then when was it launched? It was launched in 2018 and it is considered to be world's largest healthcare program also. Then under which particular program this was launched? It was launched under second component of Ayushman Bharat. So you know, Ayushman Bharat is one of the prestigious project of the government of India, and it includes two components. So health and wellness centers. So this is the first component, which is trying to promote primary health care. So PHCs you can say. Then we have the second component here, that is what we call Ayushman Bharat, okay, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, where will be covered under secondary and tertiary healthcare. So secondary and tertiary healthcare, right? So these are the two components, and now this insurance coverage is provided at this particular level. We'll understand it further. Then what is the main aim here? To provide universal health coverage for all the deprived persons, right? So we'll understand who are the beneficiaries also. But first we need to also understand who are getting covered, right? Coverage, if you see, almost 40% of the population is under this bracket of the scheme. At the same time, we also need to understand they will be provided with secondary and tertiary healthcare, services of up to 5 lakh rupees per family per year. So this is for family and for year, right? You need to remember, it is not per person, it is for family. Then we also need to understand who are eligible under this scheme. Any person actually, so you can say almost more than 10 crore families are getting covered under this program. So where the persons who are from rural and urban background, who are deprived, they will be identified and they will be eligible under this scheme. Then who is going to identify and how they're getting identified? It is mainly through socio-economic caste census, right? So based on this, we'll be identifying the beneficiaries. And then what are the benefits here? So mainly we are providing universal health coverage. So where, you know, generally in secondary and tertiary care, especially in treatment of many diseases and all, like in the hospital stage when we have to perform certain surgeries or diagnosis or treatments, it will cost almost lakhs of rupees. So the persons will be freed, because in India almost any person who is under below poverty line on average is spending 60 to 70% of their income as out of pocket expenditure on health itself, right? So to decrease this and to provide them a security measure, this particular scheme was launched. Then who is going to implement this? There is National Health Agency, NHA we call. This is a nodal implementing agency for this Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Now let us understand more details about this particular health insurance scheme. Already, as I told you, for any treatment under secondary and tertiary care, there is already 5 lakh coverage. In addition to this, the persons who are above 70 years bracket also will be given under this scheme. Whoever all above 70 years of age, they will be given 5 lakh rupees of insurance coverage also. That means this is going to significantly help senior citizens, right? Almost you can say again almost 4 crore people will be brought in addition to the existing cover. So what is most important you have to understand is, in case if there are 2 senior citizens in a family, then this 5 lakh insurance coverage will be shared among them. So this is the most important thing which can also be asked as a question. So it is not individual. In case if there are 2 senior citizens in family, as I told you, this is 5 lakh rupees per family and it is per year, right? So for that reason, in case if 2 persons are there, it gets shared between those 2, 5 lakhs, not individually 5 lakhs. So this is the most important thing we have to understand. Then what is the significance of this? Why we need this particular scheme is, as you know, most of the population or the demographic bracket of India, they don't have any social security. They don't have any social security benefit, right? So this is one reason. Now, in case if the government is extending them the insurance coverage, definitely it will bring them a social security. At the same time, if you see in the recent times, we have shifted more from joint families to nuclear families. When this happened, from joint family to nuclear family, you know, the healthcare burden of the elderly is also increasing as they are becoming more isolated and orphaned by their children. So in that particular context also, it will be a boosting mechanism for them. At the same time, we also need to understand India always is focusing on universal health coverage. So this also helps in realizing good health and well-being, and which is the associated SDG. Try to put your answer in the comment section, right? So these are the main benefits of Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat and the health insurance coverage that was recently extended for senior citizens who are above 70 years. Then who is eligible under the benefits of Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya scheme? So who of these will be eligible? Try to put your answer in the comment section. Then in this video, we have discussed about recent extension of health insurance coverage for all the beneficiaries who are above 70 years under Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Jan Arogya Yojana. So we have seen what is Ayushman Bharat, how it is so significant for government of India, because in Indian context, you know, Arogya mein Mahabhagyam, that is what the basic belief we generally had. So in promoting healthcare and also universal health coverage also, government is ambitiously promoting this scheme. We have seen the significant benefits that this scheme will generally give to the senior section who are generally out of social security bracket. So this is all with respect to today's video. If you found the video informative, do let us know in the comment section. Thanks for joining. See you again.